Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys 3 shades of liquid lipstick that I like to use in the winter time. These shades complement almost every outfit that I wear during this time of the year, and they're just beautiful and bold. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna start off by cleaning off this lipstick that I have. It's actually lip gloss, but yeah. So all the shades I'm going to show you guys are by Morphe. So the first one is called Peanut. So I'm going to go ahead and apply Peanut. And it looks like that. Okay, so let's go in. I like to start in the center like this. And hang it out. Look at this color. I like how it looks. I don't know if I should put a pencil. I think I'm gonna put a brown pencil around it so you guys, I don't even have a brown pencil, but anyways. Okay, so this is Peanut. The next color is Bloodshot, and this is a deep red, deep purple, burgundy color. Yes, Bloodshot. So this is Bloodshot. Okay, last but not least is Nibble. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply Nibble. Alright, this is Nibble. This is a final color. It is a deep brown shade, which I am totally loving. I'm going to see myself wearing this every day. I see myself wearing this shade every day because it's perfect. It's a perfect color. I just love the subtle red undertones, but not too much. You know, it's beautiful. I love it. And it feels good on my lips. It literally doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything, which is amazing. Guys, this is it for this video. I just wanted to show you these 3 shades because I totally love them and I am going to wear them every day. So let me know if you enjoyed it, if you guys want to see a lot of this type of videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop some comments and hit that big subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.